Hi, welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. This week I've been thinking about childhood and basically Airfix models and other model kits. You know, the ones, planes and boats and tanks that your dad used to get you. You used to sit down and have 2 or 3 hours of misery and depression where he would eventually give up and go to the pub, and then you'd end up sticking the parts to your fingers and then slicing yourself open with a modelling knife. But anyway, moving on, I thought there must be a way that you can 3D print these things now. So I had to dig around on some of the websites and I found a really good sort of cross between futuristic plane and Spitfire that is in loads of different parts that you can glue together, then paint and put transfers on. So I thought, yeah, let's give that a try. So let's print this out and see if we can't relive our childhoods of gluing plastic to our faces and getting high snorting Airfix model glue. Before we continue, however, don't forget to like, subscribe and click notification so you know when I next upload a video. Let's give this a try. Okay, some glue, some paint and some transfers later, and I'm really impressed with the way that went. You can 3D print and make Airfix style model aeroplanes again, which is really nice. The pieces fit together really nicely. The transfers went on, the paint application was pretty damn good. Yeah, I'm very satisfied with the way this turned out. Yeah, I used a bit of glaze on the window to give it a nice sort of green tint. Some nice metallics on the engines, and even the transfers, which I remember from being a kid being an absolute freaking nightmare to work, actually went on nicely and adhered. So yeah, Links in the description below for this wonderful piece of 3D printed design. I love the huge turbines on the front. Gives it a really sort of nice, almost World War II / World War 3000. Nicely sci-fi, but nicely retro at the same time. And yeah, wonderful, wonderful thing, and very, very glad that I made it. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. I try and upload one video a week. Sometimes I do more, sometimes I do a little less, but click the notification button, like, subscribe to let you know when I upload my next 3D printed video. Next week, hopefully, I'll have myself a resin printer. I've purchased a Creality LD002R. That really rolled off the tongue. Good work, Creality. And yeah, let's see if resin printing is as much my liking as normal FDM printing is. Thanks for watching.